Guys, you seen the service manual I bought for this? That came in. Let me see. That came in. Yeah, that came in yesterday. That was $170. I got that on eBay, and it's from. I've thumbed through it already. It's very descriptive. There's a lot of nice pictures in it, and I also got some. That stuff there is awesome, man. That's awesome. I already did. I just did the top of that, like maybe 10 seconds of rubbing on it, and it's already coming out like chrome. Because you can see like that a little bit. We're gonna get all this. We're gonna get this like chrome. We're gonna hand polish all the aluminum parts. Like this needs it here. We're gonna hand polish this. You know, and then it's like this piece here. We'll hand polish this. We'll get everything just like this. We'll get everything chrome, man. You know, like it's like the rear fender here. I thought this was fiberglass, but that's steel actually. I guess it's steel because, you know, you rest against it. Here, let me show you guys how the seat comes off here. See a little suction cup here? Pull him off. That's it. Seat comes right up. Seat's like $400. Now the horn, this doesn't have a horn on it. According to the manual, the horn should be down inside here. The horn is supposed to be bolted onto the inside of this. So if it doesn't, I think what happened, I mean, there's a horn switch. See, there's a horn switch, but I have no horn. So I think what happened is I think the horn probably fell off on the dude and he never put it back on. So there's probably a pigtail down in there for the horn. So probably what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take the battery out and search. See if we can find that sucker. And yeah, that's a battery saver right there they got. I don't even use that. I mean, there's no sense even having that on there. You just take the seat off because I have that's a trickle down. That's a battery charger and that has trickle charge on it too. And yeah, you guys know the rear tire is in great shape. Basically new, you know. You see I have the right hand side belt drive there. We have a couple new so like this needs waxed up a little bit. This back wheel here, we're going to get this looking like chrome. This is all aluminum. We have a couple new subscribers to the channel. I want to show them what I did. See, I ball cutted. That's the oil cap. I ball cutted that. I also ball cutted the gas cap too, guys. I thought this was steel, but it's not. It's aluminum. I ball cutted that, and then that's my RPM gauge. That's not working. I have to take the speedometer off, and we're going to see what's going on with the speedometer. And this is also aluminum. We're going to get this like chrome too when I have it off. We'll get this polished, and we'll get the bracket polished. And 4-gallon gas. This eats up a lot of gasoline. It probably. It's a 6-speed. It probably gets about 15 miles a gallon in a city, maybe 25 on a highway. Yeah, it literally drinks the gas down, guys. Oh, I just burned my leg, man. I got to remember. I just came back from a ride maybe 10 minutes ago. I just burned my leg on a damn exhaust pipe because I'm in my shorts. See, we're going to have to get this all nice and polished up. This takes .5. See? I have dot 5 too. I got a lot of dot 5. Oh, check out these. I made these because the guy, you're supposed to have this on here, and I think the guy I think he cut them off, I'll be honest with you. And just a set, just this one and that one over there is $130. So that's just as good for now. We got the Vance and Hines pipes. Those are aftermarket pipes. Okay, let's see. Front wheels, we're going to polish up the front wheels a little bit better. Man, I'll tell you, that hurt. Damn. Like right in here, I burned myself. Aren't I pretty feet, guys? That other toe and right foot, I dropped the floor jack on that years ago. That's why it's all messed up. See, this is aluminum. We'll get that polished. My front tires are in real good shape too. You know, when I took this out at night for the first time, my headlight was pointed straight down. So I was basically, I took this to work. I was basically riding to work in the dark. And because I didn't know, this still needs tightened up a little bit. I didn't know that I was able to move it by hand because, you know, I thought I needed tools to move it. So I rode to work, and the headlight was like shining 1 inch in front of the front tire. So I was basically riding to work in the dark. Man, I'll tell you, that goddamn hurts. Shit, I gotta put something on it. Yeah, that freaking hurt. Damn. So, okay, guys, I think I put about 100 miles on it so far. It has a digital tack. That's your speed there. That's your miles. That's your tack gauge. Then you have left and right turn signal. You have a high beam neutral and an oil warning light. I don't know what that is. That might be a low gas light. That's probably what that is. And then like on the Harleys, you have the left turn on this side, right one on that side, on off, start button, high beam, low beam, and my goddamn leg is really hurting where I burned my leg on, man. Damn, that hurts. So, alright guys, I'll tell you what, man, this is a blast to ride. Everybody just loves it, man. Everybody loves it. And I still haven't got a buyer for this. I have people that ask me if it's still for sale. I tell them yes, and I never hear from them again. So, you know, if I don't sell this, I'm going to put a calf racer fairing on the front of it, and I'm going to keep it. We'll put some tires on it, and I'll keep it. That's what I was thinking of doing to this sucker here. I was thinking of putting a calf racer fairing on the front of it. You know, the thing is, man, with something like this, is after you have something like this, you don't want to ride the little Honda around anymore. You know, I could do like tricks on that in my driveway. You know, it's like a mini bike after you ride this. You know, this has a 1910cc engine. That's 117 cubic inches. You know. And I'm going to position my camera somewhere else, guys. I'm sorry for the other video I made. I put the camera on my chopper helmet. Okay, you know, because when you ride a chopper, man, you can't look jive wearing a full face helmet. You just don't look right. So I had my chopper helmet on, and let me show you where I have the microphone. See, that's where I have the lavalier. So naturally, it's going to pick up a lot of wind noise. You know, and it's not working. Where when I have the camera on this one, I have the microphone on the inside of the helmet where it doesn't get any any wind noise. And this is the other chopper helmet here, which it won't work on this either. So what we'll do, when I make ride videos, I'll put the microphone back in the full face helmet and we'll wear that. That way you guys can hear what the motorcycle sounds like. This will pick up. Even with the microphone on the inside of the helmet, it will pick up the exhaust. And you'll be able to hear me talking to it and narrating everything that's going on with the motorcycle. So I'll make another ride video either Saturday or Sunday with a full face helmet on. Okay, I'll catch you guys later.